Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
I'm looking for something simple, fast, full of protein, and a good way to start the day or lunch. This is what I discovered. I'm gonna put some sourdough down in the toaster. I guess I would do it lightly toasted. And I put mayo on both sides. I put cheese on both sides. Probably put more mayo on it. Then I'd load it up with lettuce. A lot of lettuce. So much lettuce. I can't believe the lettuce. And I'd probably hit it with some pepper. No doubt I'd take the turkey and pop that baby right there. And believe it or not, I'd probably want more mayo. I'd flip the lid. I'd press it. Then I'd give it the old sliceroo. And then I'd reveal it. Just like this. No doubt I'd take a close-up to let you know what it looks like. Then probably a big bite. No doubt I'd add some chips to it. And then take a nice, giant bite. Kind of like this. I say everything tastes delicious and works. I finish it off with some chips. Then no doubt I'd say, sweet Babu, peace.
Live life 365.
I'll eat this lettuce. There'll still be outtakes. But you gotta also say Baba.